ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. My name is Vicky Bishop and I'm your flight service manager. We have an excellent team of cabin crew on board today, including 2 cabin service supervisors. Jackie is in the upper class cabin and Gabriel is in the premium economy and economy cabins. With regards to safety on board, I must remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on the aircraft, so please observe the no smoking signs throughout the cabin and in the toilets. Each toilet is fitted with a smoke alarm. It is a criminal offence to ignore smoking regulations, tamper with, disable or destroy a toilet smoke detector. Whenever the fasten seatbelt signs are on, your seatbelt must be fastened, and we do encourage you to keep them fastened whenever you're seated, just in case we encounter unexpected turbulence. And please ensure it stays visible to the cabin crew so they can check it without disturbing you. When the seatbelt signs are illuminated, all infants must be removed from their cots and secured on your lap for their own safety. And as some electronic equipment may interfere with the aircraft's navigation system, you may only use the non-transmitting functions of your electronic device, providing its flight safe mode was set before takeoff. Calls, texts or email messages are not allowed. We encourage you to stretch and move your legs frequently while seated, and tips on seated exercises and jet lag advice are available on our health program, and details can be found in the Seatbelt magazine. For the safety of everyone on board, only alcohol served by the cabin crew may be consumed, and the cabin crew can refuse alcohol to anyone who may appear to be intoxicated. And as altitude increases the effects of alcohol, please only drink it in moderation. We will shortly be starting our in-flight entertainment, and we have a wide range of programs to suit all tastes, but not all suitable for our younger viewers. So please do check the Seatbelt magazine for full listings and family-friendly viewing.